Xeikon Café 2022 is coming to an end, but we have one more guest to introduce you. And I'll be talking workflow with my guest here, Jeroen Van Bauwel. Jeroen,
thank you.
nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Give us a little introduction. What is your function here at Xeikon?
I'm responsible for product management, and I'm doing this for the last 15 years almost. So product management, that means all products that come out of Xeikon. So that's engines, that's software technology, that's consumables, so that's converting equipment. So that's product management. Of course, I'm not doing this all on my own. I have a team that works on these products.
As you say, we were here to witness this for 3 days, but we are here now with you, and we wanted to chat a little bit about workflow, right?
Yeah.
So your workflow system is called X800, if I'm not mistaken.
X800, that's indeed the current workflow, which is, from an industry standpoint, and that's what we hear from our customers, what we hear from partners, what we hear from industry analysts, a top-notch workflow, the X800. Top-notch, that means concerning capacity to produce all the jobs that need to be handled on that digital printing press. That needs on functionality, that's on integration capabilities. So on that perspective, the X800 is still a top-notch workflow.
Right, so we were talking a little bit earlier as well on this. So you have it now on-premise most of the time. But you're working on something new, and well, give us a little insight on what you're working on.
We're developing something exciting indeed. And first of all, it's not something new actually that we started, because what we're talking about is that we are developing a cloud platform to build all our future workflow technology on that cloud platform. It's a Pegora cloud platform. That's the name that we gave to that platform. Now, actually new. Xeikon started already more than 10 years ago. Drupal 2012, we released our first cloud application. At that time, it was color management. So our philosophy on cloud technology, actually on technology, is when it's available, or when the technology allows for it, and when it makes sense for our customers, we bring it to the cloud. And at that time, it made a lot of sense. We still build further on that. It made a lot of sense to bring color management to the cloud. Later on, we added extra functionality, so also our business services are now available in the cloud. A few years ago, we released Smart Label, a functionality that we offer to our customers, that they can offer to their customers, to brand owners, for example. So that became available to the cloud. So cloud is not new for us. We started 10 years ago, but 2 years ago, we made an important decision that indeed our X800, the future of our X800, that's going to move to that cloud technology, to that new platform. And today, in 2022, we have the first elements available that have been built on that Pegora platform, and that's the first elements of a workflow that become available in that cloud, via that cloud. Those first elements, so again, when it makes sense, when it has functionality, when it brings value to our customers, when it makes sense, and when technology allows for it. And actually, when it makes sense, what our philosophy, our strategy actually, what we bring to our label printers is we want to help them to automate their complete label manufacturing process. Not just the printing process, that's what we've done more than 20 years, but the complete label manufacturing process. What we have done years ago, we installed digital printing technology at our customers, and we solved the short run problem. And we gave them a lot of extra features like variable data and so on. But actually what we did is we created some new problems, some new bottlenecks. All these short run jobs, they need to be handled, they need to be onboarded. You need to have a tool to onboard them in an automated way. You need to have a tool to convert them, to ship them, to invoice them in an automated way. So that's actually the functionality where we see it makes a lot of sense. We want to help our customers to integrate that complete production flow at their site.
So actually getting into the real Industry 4.0 connectivity, front end, back end, and all the connections that go along with it, and to be able, I guess, to connect with all the partners that come into a value chain of a printed.
Exactly, and you mentioned something important, the partners. So it is not our goal to develop all these components by ourselves. Our goal is to make a workflow, a sustainable workflow that helps our customers to again, to automate the complete production. And we have a lot of partners, you've seen here, a lot of our partners, not all of them, we have a lot of partners that have perfect technology that suits specific elements in that production flow. Well, we're going to integrate with these partners to make it smooth for our customers, for our label converters, to have this integrated workflow, to have that automation that is so crucial, that is needed for their future production.
Well, that sounds great. So if it's ready, tell me about it, and we'll have another chat and have a look at it, if it's okay with you.
I will definitely do that.
Great talking to you, Jeroen, and see you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.